Welcome to Tech AI and Beyond, your guide to the cutting-edge technologies shaping our future. In this exciting series, we dive into the world of nanotechnology, a revolution at the smallest scale, poised to transform fields like medicine, electronics, energy, and beyond.
Nanotechnology is a cornerstone of modern innovation, driving advancements in countless products, from medical devices to sustainable energy solutions. In this 10-episode series, we'll explore the definition, history, principles, and real-world applications of this transformative science.
In Episode 1, we introduce the fascinating world of nanotechnology, discover the nanoscale, where matter behaves in extraordinary ways, learn how scientists harness these unique properties, and see how nanotechnology is already impacting our lives today.
Episode 2 delves into nanofabrication tools. We'll explore how scientists craft structures at the atomic level, turning groundbreaking research into practical technologies that power innovation.
In Episode 3, we examine characterization techniques. These advanced methods allow scientists to measure and analyze nanostructures, providing the foundation for developing new technologies.
Episode 4 focuses on the properties of nanomaterials. At the nanoscale, materials exhibit unique optical, electrical, and magnetic behaviors. We'll uncover the physical principles behind these remarkable changes.
Episode 5 introduces the diverse world of nanomaterials. From carbon-based structures to metallic particles and quantum dots, we'll explore their classifications, properties, and production methods.
Episode 6 explores nanotechnology's role in electronics. Learn how this science enhances computer processors, advances quantum computing, and powers the next generation of wearable devices.
Episode 7 highlights nanotechnology's transformative impact on medicine and biology. From precision drug delivery to cutting-edge vaccines, discover how nanotechnology is revolutionizing healthcare.
In Episode 8, we focus on nanotechnology's contributions to energy and the environment. Explore how this science addresses sustainability challenges, paving the way for a greener future.
Episode 9 tackles the risks and ethical considerations of nanotechnology. We'll discuss potential health and environmental impacts, as well as the regulations ensuring safe and responsible development.
In our final episode, Episode 10, we look to the future. From nanorobotics and molecular machines to AI-driven materials design, we'll explore the next frontiers of nanotechnology innovation.
Whether you're a student, a technology enthusiast, or simply curious about the innovations shaping our world, this series is for you. Join us to uncover the incredible potential of nanotechnology.
Subscribe to our channel Tech AI and Beyond for more insights into the technologies transforming our lives.
Thank you for listening. We will see you next time.